I'm Kristen with the Rogers Public Library, and this week for Catch 'em All at the library, we will be focusing on Woobat. So in your craft packet, you will have your cute little Woobat coloring page. You'll also have all of the things to make this adorable little flying Woobat. So you'll have a big fluffy blue pom-pom, a ribbon, and then lots of pieces of felt to cut out. So first we just need to cut out all of our pieces, and then I'll show you how to put it together. So once we have all of our pieces cut out, we're going to start with our ribbon and our big pom-pom. Now somewhere in your big pom-pom there is a little stretchy loop. So we are going to thread our ribbon through that loop, and this will be the top of our Woobat so that we can hang him up. So once the ribbon's threaded through, we'll just tie it in a knot. And pull it tight. And then we'll be able to hang them up when we're all done. And we do this first so that we know which part is the top of our Woobat. Now we can put all the other pieces together. Now the fastest way to do this will be with hot glue, but if you don't have hot glue or cannot use it safely, then tacky glue will also work just fine. So I'm going to use tacky glue, and I'm going to start with the little heart and put some tacky glue on the back of that, and that's going to go right in the center of our little pink circle. So then we can set that aside for a moment. And then we can put the mouth together. So we're going to use this kind of neon pink smile and our light pink oval. We're going to put some glue on the back of our light pink oval, and then put that onto our open mouth. So this is the little tongue in the mouth, and then we'll get just a little bit of glue for our one tooth, and then add that tooth in the center at the top of the open mouth so that it overlaps the little tongue. And there is our Woobat mouth. Now we just need to attach our pieces. So we'll pick up our little nose piece, and we're going to put some glue all over the back of our pink circle, and then pick a spot about in the center, maybe a little bit towards the top of the center, and glue our little snoot on. Then we can take the completed mouth and flip it over, add some glue to the back of our neon pink smile, and then we'll put that just a little ways below the little nose. Then we can take our wings, and we're just going to put some glue on the long thin part and just at the end of it on both sides so that we can stick this into the fluff of the pom-pom, moving back a bit, and then just kind of pinch the fluff around that area where we're putting the glue so that the glue gets stuck into that fluff pretty well, so that it will hold the wing up. And we'll do the same thing for the other side. We want to try and make sure we get it about the same distance back into the side as the other side of the wing, but it doesn't have to be exact. And then once those are on, our little adorable Woobat is complete. Now you'll want to let him dry before you start playing with him, but once he is all dry, then you can play with him as much as you want. And you can make him bounce and dance, swing, and you can hang him up wherever you'd like. And that is our spooky craft for Pokemon this week. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next week to make another spooky Pokemon. Bye.